In order to use the graphics using the turtle module, you have to tell the turtle that you want to use the commands inside. So the turtle is an extra Python module that have special graphic commands that allows you to draw shapes on its own screen. You have to tell the Python that you want to use these commands first, otherwise they won't work. So you have to put the line import turtle at the top of all of your codes. This will tell Python that you want to use all the functions stored in the turtle library. Let's look at the output window. This is the default window size, and the x-axis points from -478 to +471. And what's the measurement in? It's in pixels. So each pixel is a dot on your screen. So there are a lot of pixels on your screen. The vertical axis or the y-axis is a bit smaller in size. It's -396 to +402. When you use the function home, it will take your turtle to the location 0, 0. But if you look at the number 0, 0 really is not the center of the screen. The y-axis is actually 798 pixels and the x-axis is 950 pixels. So the actual point of the center of the window is -3, 3. So just remember, whenever we use the turtle or ask the turtle to go home, the default screen is not going to be the center of your screen. Now let's learn about the turtle color function. What the fun of the drawing if you don't have colors within it? There are three different ways we can define colors with the turtles. The first one is by its string name. Not all colors work by the string name, but the most of the common ones will, like blue, green, red, yellow, as long as the colors are given in the quotes, and the colors should work. So don't forget to put the colors within the quotes. The second way is to do it is to use the hexadecimal value. Remember, when we use the hex value, we have to put the hashtag sign before the code of the hexadecimal value. You can find most of the colors on the internet. If you want very specific colors, you can look it up and use the hashtag sign to indicate that it is a hex value. The last way is to use the RGB colors. Unfortunately, this has two steps. First step is to set the color mode to 255. And 255 is used because it is the maximum value of the colors that the turtle can take. The color commands then takes three different parameters. The first one in red, the second in green, and the third in blue, and which is why we call it as an RGB. Again, you can find these values on the internet.